quick thing here to look for when you guys are looking at cars. Don't forget our bushings. You see the dry rot on the bushing here and the bushing there. This is an upper control arm on an F-150, and you can see that this bushing is all deteriorated and starting to come out. But if you look here, there's no more rubber. You can see there's no more rubber in on there. So there's no play yet in the front end of this car. But it's a good note to give to the customer to let them know that they're going to be needing upper control arm bushings or an upper arm. So guys, don't forget to check bushings.